The Super Bowl yesterday randomly reminded me of something. Back in 2019, I did makeup for a music video on both the artist and the model. That artist is Bad Bunny. Let's recreate the exact makeup look that I did for the video, but using my current makeup techniques. My skin is already prepped with the Drunk Elephant peptide cream. The model was so naturally beautiful that the makeup that I did, I really just wanted to accentuate that. So I did a little bit of a lighter coverage. I'm now going to start with underpainting. Just adding these to all of the places that I contour and bronze. I'm like 90% sure that I used Luminous Silk on her back then. I'm gonna go in with my sponge and just press this around the contour. Used a more softer neutral blush. I used the Chubby Stick from Clinique. It's Amped Up Apple and it just gives a really beautiful natural finish. Add a touch of concealer under the eyes. I personally put concealer on the inner corner right there just because I have some discoloration. And I'm just gonna blend that out with my beauty blender, and then I'm gonna put that on the lid as my eye primer. Now at the bottom of my beauty blender, it still has a little bit of foundation on it. I'm just gonna press over everything. Brows were very soft and just lightly filled in with a pencil. This is the Anastasia brow pencil. I'm now going to powder very lightly with a translucent powder. This is the one size. Powder bronzer from Physicians Formula was my jam back in 2019. I'm just going to tap this all along the perimeters of the face. Then I'm going to go in and use this as my eyeshadow base, and then also along the lower lash line. For her eyes, I did a little bit of a brown smoky eye. So I'm taking this brown from this Too Faced palette, just blending this around the edges of the eye. I took a brown eyeliner. This is from Stila, shade Espresso. Lined her lower lash line, and I'm also going to apply this on the upper lash line. Now to really blend everything out, I'm going back in with that bronzer. Same thing for the lower lash line again. I remember using this Dior palette on the eyes. I combined these darker highlights, and that went on the eye. With the light shade, I gave her a really strong inner corner highlight. Lashes are curled. I'm now adding some MAC Stack mascara. So added some to her lower lash line. Spray with MAC Fix Plus. I specifically remember using the iconic London highlighter, and I cannot find it anywhere. So I'm gonna use this Rare Beauty one. It's a shade Flaunt, and it's a really pretty bronzy highlight. Put this on the cheeks with a fluffy brush. I'm just going to lightly contour the lips with that bronzer stick. I remember the model telling me that she liked like berry tone lipsticks. So I took a bold berry lip, used a brush, and just started blending that into the lips. This is MAC Date Night, and I really just built that up to get that bitten berry look. And I just did one little pass of powder. You guys, here is the final makeup look. This was so fun to just reflect back on my working makeup artist days. He was one of my first celebrity makeup clients, and it was just so much fun. But let me know what you guys think of the look.